Hello students. In previous video, we considered various system of units. MKS system, CGS system, FPS system, SI system of unit. And we considered this relation Q is equal to N1 U1, this is equal to N2 U2. Today we will do few numericals which are based on conversion of units. Conversion of unit means it is the conversion between different units of measurement for the same physical quantity. For example, if the quantity is going to be length, then this conversion can be between centimeter, meter, millimeter, meter, meter, kilometer, etc. It means physical quantity will remain the same, but their units will be different. So we have to go from one unit, either from smaller to bigger or bigger to smaller. For example, this is given to you. 230 centimeter is equal to dash meter. So in order to solve all these questions, I am writing steps here to solve these questions. Maybe it is going to be very simple for you. Then also either level is simple or complicated. We will follow these steps. So first what we are going to do, we will multiply the term that is to be converted with 1. So multiply 230 centimeter with 1. This is the multiplication done. 230 centimeter multiplied by 1. Then second step, we will see the relation between the units, centimeter and meter. We know 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So this 1 I can write as 100 centimeter upon 1 meter, or this 1 will be equal to 1 meter upon 100 centimeter. You already know 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So when we will divide them by each other, then result will come out to be 1. Now this value is to be used there or this value of 1 to be used here, there, that you will decide what is given in numerator. In numerator centimeter is given and we want to cancel it, we want to convert it into meter. So you will use that value of 1 where you get centimeter in denominator. So here we have in this part centimeter in denominator. So this 1 I will replace by this. So after replacing and doing calculation, centimeter will get cancelled, this 0 will get cancelled with 0. So 23 upon 10 meter will be left. That we can write as 2.3 meter. Let us consider other question. It is given 135 second is equal to dash minute. Steps will remain same as I have already told you. Multiply this by 1. Then see the relation between minute and second. 1 minute is equal to 60 second. So 1 can be equal to 1 minute upon 60 second, or 1 can be equal to 60 second upon 1 minute. We are in need of this. So we will use this here. With the second will get cancelled. 135 upon 60 minute. It means your answer will be 9/4 minute. So questions are very simple. Next question, it is asked convert 8 pound into dash kilogram. So first multiply by 1. Then see relation between pound and kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pound. Then see which relation will work here. With pound we want to cancel pound. So this relation will work here. 1 kg divided by 2.2 pound. LB is the notation for pound. So after cancellation we will consider 80 upon 22 kg, that is 40 upon 11 kg. Few more questions we will consider. If you are supposed to convert 20 meter per second. Now level slightly higher than previous one. 20 meter per second into kilometer per minute. Then 20 meter per second I can write like this. Both the quantities or the units, this unit is to be converted in kilometer and this we want to convert in terms of minute. So both will be multiplied by 1 and 1. This one I will see the relation to replace it. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 1 will be equal to 1 kilometer upon 1000 meter. So in place of this one, I have written 1 kilometer upon 1000 meter. And in place of this one, I have written 1 minute divided by 60 second. And when you will solve it, then what you will get? You will get 1.2 kilometer per minute. Similarly, this density is given in CGS system, 0.8 gram per centimeter cube. You are supposed to convert it in SI system. This is 0.8 gram divided by 1 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube I can write like this also. 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Then first step was multiply each term by 1. This is multiplication by 1. 1, 1, 1. All the 3 terms multiplied by 1. Then see relation between kilogram and gram. So this one I will replace by 1 kg upon 1000 gram. This one. And this one and this one will be replaced by 1 meter upon 100 centimeter. So after solving, you will be able to get 800 kilogram per meter cube. Level more we are increasing now. A question is given, a calorie is a unit of heat energy and about 4.2 joule. See, calorie is practical unit of heat energy and joule is SI unit of energy. Any form of energy will be there, its unit will be joule. So a calorie is a unit of heat energy and about 4.2 joule, where 1 joule is equal to 1 kilogram meter square per second square. There is a new system of unit given where unit of mass is alpha kg, unit of length is beta meter and unit of time is gamma second. We have to prove magnitude wise 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 alpha inverse beta minus 2 gamma raised to power 2 in terms of new unit. So meaning of this statement is, this is the system. See, in this system, the unit of mass is 1 kg, unit of length or distance is meter and unit of time is second. This is another system where 1 unit means alpha kg. So alpha kg is equal to unity or 1 multiplied by new system of unit. Here alpha is representing magnitude. Kg is the unit to measure this mass. In new system of unit, we don't know which system, magnitude is 1 and this is unit x. Because we don't know what is the unit in new system, so we have considered new unit is x. Similarly, beta meter is equal to unit of length. So this is unit of length in a new system. What is gamma second? That is equal to unit of time in new system. So in new system, alpha kg will be equal to 1x, beta meter will be equal to 1y, gamma second will be equal to 1z, where 1, 1, 1 representing unit. For example, we are going to have 2.5 centimeter is equal to 1 inch. Similarly here, something will be there and we have represented that something by x. Here I know inch. I don't know what is this unit name. Only we are representing it by representation x, y and z. So question was 4.2 joule, which can be written as 4.2 1 kilogram meter square per second square. So if I will bring it down in denominator, this can be written like this. Now whatever you want to change, 1 kilogram, 1 meter, 1 second, you can make use of these relation. From this relation, 1 kg will be equal to x upon alpha. 1 meter will be equal to y upon beta, 1 second will be equal to z upon gamma. When you will put all these values here, then what will you get? 4.2 joule will be equal to 4.2 alpha inverse beta raised to power minus 2 and gamma raised to power 2. With this you will have x, y square, z minus 2. It means this is the value of 4.2 joule in terms of new system of units. In terms of new system of unit where x will be with positive 1, y square, z raised to power, what you will have, z raised to power will come out to be minus 2. In this case also you see kilogram meter per second square. So relation, what will be the relation? 4.2 joule is equal to 4.2 alpha inverse beta raised to power minus 2 gamma square. So like this, try more questions. Thank you.